Hi, my name is Nina. I'm from Paris.
I'm Yi, I'm from China, and I study documentary cinema here.
This program in documentary cinema was really the perfect bridge for me to connect reality to cinema. When I learned that this program existed, I just thought that's the thing I need to do right now.
And it's a rich land, like a land of stories. And whether from the ancient time, the biblical story, till today's like modern times conflict, is not only studying like a film here, but also combine all the knowledges you are interested in.
We have like super professional teachers that are currently working in the industry, so that's a major asset in a TV, like in a movie program. Also, it's a small class with 20 people, so we all connect, share, and create deep relationship during the year.
I really value the thoughts we share between each classmate, and I feel like we really have the spark.
While studying documentary cinema, it was super interesting also to see all those different layers of a situation that's been really tough, but also amazing monsters.
It definitely enriched my experience about my understanding about the things happening here and also the whole world, because as a film student, like you not only receive the message or information from news, you also explore things like actually happen here and what you exactly see. I feel happy that I made the choice to have the encouragement to come here.
Also, having the opportunity to study here and to learn more about the complexity of the place and the difference between people coming from different backgrounds within this so complicated country that is Israel is a fascinating opportunity. If you are interested in media, in political, in the conflict, like it's the most interesting place to be.